does Ethernet work?
You might have been too quick, but I don't care. Alright. What the hell?
Are those our teammates?
Yep.
We can't kill our teammates. I'm surprised.
Okay. I have... Oh, crap. Wait, why do we have inverted controls? Hold up. Audio. Can we have, like, no audio controls? Not inverted.
How do I get that gun? Ah!
Music. No music.
Hey.
There we go. Yeah, not... There we go. Ha-ah.
So press X and then hold circle. I just want to go on the bridge.
Jesus Christ. Why are these things invincible? That's not fair. Cheesecake.
What the heck are those things? Shoot! Leon, come and help me.
No, I can't help you.
Liam, watch this.
Yes.
Look at this, Liam.
Everyone can do that. Yay.
Hey, what kind of car is that? Oh my god.
Okay, let's go.
What gun I got?
Oops. No,
Oh, hold it.
Oh no.
Hold it.
That was unnecessary. Okay then, yep. Respawn.
Can I undo it? Can I do this?
No, it's already been captured, Ethan. Okay.
Yes. Where are you?
Gotta capture. Yeah.
Where are you?
Waiting for this thing.
Well, let me do it. We both
There
done
we
it.
go.
Oh, let me do it.
Yes.
Let me go. Let me grab one.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, buddy. Hey.
I'll help you.
I don't. What? That's not fair.
Fire! Hey, watch it. I'm in Clank. Look what I found. I found a healthcare thing.
Alright, so it looks like if you just keep running in a circle,
Yes.
that's how you do this. That's not how you do it. I'm about to die.
I'm about to die. Oh!
You did die.
I just died.
Haha. Hopefully this will be back my health. Yes.
Watch it. I found another one
Look,
of these
it's getting
things.
enemies. Oh damn. Okay. What else we got? Oh, we got 3 out of what's that? Just off the top of my
I
head.
got up here. I got in here,
Is
Leo.
that mine? Are these? Yeah, this is mine. Sorry.
I got in here, Liam.
Well, it says I'm not. Where else do I? Oh.
I want to switch guns.
Oh crap! Get out of here. God damn it!
John Cena. Damn it! How did he kill me? I'm right here. Liam, pants on fire. Oh.
I'm going in for it.
I'm gonna grab one of those things.
Okay. Ah!
Liam, I want to grab one of these things. Liam, look what I got. Which one's the most?
Oh!
Oh.
A minigun? Oh, I'm stuck. I'm dead.
Liam, guess what I got? I got a mini car.
I'm out of here. See you later.
I'm out of here.
See you later. See you later.
I want to.
Hey, this is not on your island. That's not fair.
I just want to explode that.
That was not on their island. I need this. Yes. Health. Queen. Hello, ma. Oh, forget it.
I found a house.
Oh,
kit.
ammo. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes. I need this gun. It's like my... No, it's not. Wait, wrong gun. Wrong gun. Which gun is it? No, wait. Wait. No, it's not this gun. Which gun is it? Oh, I don't really care.
I really want that gun.
Okay. Something... Every time I go to throw one, he shoots me. Come on, Ratchet, I thought you were more of a man.
Hey, I'll just Where are you?
Flux rifle. I can see you shooting down there. Where's another base? Oh, that's the main base. I need to get over there. Somehow, some way.
There you are.
I gotta break the... Okay, yeah, I broke it.
I found you.
Alright. We're on teams, you lunatic. A gun, yay. The gravity bomb. I think I already had the gravity bomb.
You can't kill me.
Oh no, oh, I can snipe.
I can't snipe. I definitely want that gun.
Damn it. Haha. What are these? What the hell are these? Oh, just so you know, everyone, I'm top screen, he's bottom screen.
Yes.
So I think I've already said that. Okay,
Look what I got. I got this.
Did you get away from me? Okay, I need to get... Is there a way up there? Yes, right here. Wait. Okay, we got enemies up here. Oh, Oh, that's how we crouch, like just bend down. It's just like Pavlova.
Oh yeah, come and help me.
Those things are useless. I can't help you. Stop asking for help. As much as I'd like to, I can't. Skills. Oh, them skills.
Okay, man. That's teammate. Hey, let me throw a bomb at him. Let me throw a bottom at him. Bottom.
Oh, that was a waste.
I want to see what happened. I want to see what happens when they walk into it. Nothing.
They're your teammates, so nothing will happen. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, yes, give a like to Ethan Network, and yeah.